Namaste, good morning. So today we're going to work on hip opening. So let's bring your both feet together. Try to bring them as close as you can and then press your legs with your elbows toward the floor and try to open your feet like a book and keep pressing, or maybe you can ask somebody to press your legs a little bit, or you can put some weight on your legs. Try to keep your back straight and then maybe try to fold forward, so that will help you to open your hips. And now we're gonna come to hands and knees, and then we are going to downward dog. So as I mentioned in the previous video, start your practice with sun salutations. So you can do a couple of sun salutations here, and once you are warmed up, you are lifting your right leg toward the ceiling, bending your right leg, bringing your right knee behind the right hand, right foot behind the left hand. Your legs should be bent 90 degree, but that might not be available. So you can be maybe here 45 degree or maybe 75 degree. And then wherever you are, keep sliding your left leg towards the floor. Make sure you stay in the center. Try not to lean to one side or the other. Even you can come to your fingertips. Once you stay in the center, and then you can slowly maybe try to go down. Maybe hands on the floor, forearms, or maybe you can spread your arms and rest your head on the floor. So now you're really getting a nice deep stretch on the right side of the hip and your hamstrings. And once you're ready, you're slowly coming back. So this is for if your hips are very tight. Once you have a little bit open hips, then you can go to the next level. Here you are bending your left leg. Either you use the blocks or you can come to your fingertips, and you are trying to reach to your left foot with the left hand. You can stay here, or maybe try to bring your left foot close to your back. So that is giving you nice stretch on your left quadricep. Now, in order to go to the next level, you have to release the right arm. So you can stay here. If you want to go to the next level, maybe you are putting your left foot inside the left elbow, and then maybe take your right arm up and you are trying to reach to your left hand. So this is how far you can go, but this is for the advanced practitioner. So listen to yourself and stay wherever you are. Once you're done, make sure you go slow. For the sake of the video, I'm trying to go a little faster. So once you're here, tuck your toe, straighten the left leg, take your right leg up, right foot on the floor. Same thing on the other side, left leg toward the ceiling, left knee behind the left hand, left foot behind the right hand. Slide the leg, go slow. Either you are on your forearms or on your head, wherever you are. Stay in the center. When you're ready, slowly come back. Keep your leg, how much you can bend, maybe 90 degree or a little less. Bend the leg, lift yourself up, release the right hand, grab your foot, maybe foot inside the elbow, and then you can release the left arm and you're trying to reach to the other hand. You can hold for some time. So this time you're really getting intense stretch on your right quadricep. Slowly release the leg, tuck the right toe, left leg toward the ceiling, left foot on the floor, bring your knees down, and you can come to child pose and rest for some time. So that's all for today. Thank you very much for watching this video.